If you're in the market for annotation software, look no further than Emoji Mouse. This software is more than just annotation software. It allows you to drop images that you've uploaded onto the screen. For example, let's assume you wanted to explain a certain feature for your software. So what you would do is upload it over here by clicking the upload PNG button down at the bottom of my screen, as you can see, and then you'd basically select the function or the tool that you're trying to explain, drop it on your screen, and you can even enlarge it and you can even rotate it, but I'm not sure you'll need that. Anyway, basically you can then start using tools like, for example, the arrow tool to explain each function of your software and your explanation, just like that. You can change colors and make it more dynamic. Now, apart from all of that, this software does a little bit more than just annotation. It actually highlights your mouse. As you can see, my mouse is highlighted right now, and you can actually decide which color your mouse will be highlighted in the settings section. You can change your highlighter. You can choose how much opacity. As you can see now, it's much more vibrant yellow, and you can choose much more see-through yellow. Also, you can choose the circle size and make it really big, and the thickness and make it really fat. Also, there's an animation for your clicking. We have 5 different animations for you to choose from. I personally prefer the ripple. It's just fun and very interactive. It's going to keep your users engaged and watching your explanations, your tutorials. It's going to keep them very engaged. Now, if you've noticed, while I'm talking, there are emojis popping up next to my mouse. Now, this is just an additional tool that's going to make you that step that much better than your competitors. When you're giving descriptions, explaining software, as you can see, the emojis keep coming out of what I'm saying. Based on what I'm saying, emojis are being shown next to my mouse. Now, the reason why this is so cool and so good for you when you're doing presentations and annotations is because people are going to stay engaged and stay watching your videos whenever you're talking about something. Now, let me show you how this works. In our software, we have 3 options. Let me just drop an image on my screen to try and help you understand this a little bit better. We've got the offline rules, which allow you to decide based on what you say which emojis will show up next to your mouse. That's the offline rules option. Then we also have the let AI decide, and that's the one I'm using right now. AI is listening to what I'm saying and is deciding which emoji to put next to my mouse based on what I'm saying. So if I'm saying something to do with computers, perhaps an emoji of a computer might pop up next to my screen. Let me go and look that I'm on the right mode. Oh, I'm on the offline mode. Whoopsie, my bad. If I spoke about computers, the AI would show a computer. He showed an embarrassed emoji because I was embarrassed at that moment. Okay, so let's show computers and robots. There you go, and you see an emoji of a computer pops up, and that makes sense because that's what I'm talking about. Now, the great thing about this is it's going to keep your users engaged, and so I'm using the let AI decide option. And when you try and use this over here, as long as you have the server, which you can actually download completely for free, it's an offline AI server. It means you don't have to use any internet. It's 1 gigabyte in total. It's not that big, and it's active, and then it just does all the work for you. It's very user friendly. Let me just give you a quick look at it right now. Here's the little AI server, which once you download over here, this is what you're going to get. This is the AI server. You click stop to stop, and obviously now the emojis won't work. And when you click start, it works, and all of a sudden the emojis will start working just like that. Fantastic. Very easy, simple to use. 2 softwares, all included in one package, and that's basically it for now. So if you're interested in this annotation software that of course allows you to do the basic things as well, like circles and squares and lines and all of those crazy things that you'd expect from an annotation software, but then also has an additional twist like the dropping photos on the screen, the emoji mouse, having emojis next to your mouse, and also having the ability to create your own mouse just by uploading a PNG and then choosing the hotspot where the click is detected. Okay, and that's it. Just like that, you can create a branded mouse of your own. All of these little changes are going to make your videos just that little bit more fun, and people end up watching and buying your software. Thank you for watching this video. I was Daniel, your host. Bye for now.